Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to the review in Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Tyrannosaurus Rex stuffed animal. This Tyrannosaurus Rex stuffed animal is made by the company Douglas. The cool thing about this Tyrannosaurus Rex stuffed animal is that it makes noise. Listen. This Tyrannosaurus Rex stuffed animal has the same exact pattern as some of my Wild Republic dinosaurs, including at least 2 of my Tyrannosaurus Rexes, all 3 of my Raptors, one of my Triceratops, and one of my Stegosauruses. A cool thing about this Tyrannosaurus teeth is that this is one of the Tyrannosauruses that has the teeth all like showing. And the teeth are actually part of the mouth, actually. They're not separate material. That's a cool touch. Alright, let's learn some information about the Tyrannosaurus Rex from the Jurassic Park Wiki. Here we go. The scientific name of the Tyrannosaurus Rex is tyrant lizard or reptile king. The generic name of the Tyrannosaurus Rex is tyrant lizard or reptile. The code name of the Tyrannosaurus Rex is T-Rex. The height of the Tyrannosaurus Rex is 3.4 to 4 meters or 11 to 13 feet tall at the hips. The length of the Tyrannosaurus Rex is 11.5 to 13.2 meters or 37.8 to 43.3 feet long. The weight of the Tyrannosaurus Rex is 9.8 tons or 19,555 pounds. The Tyrannosaurus Rex makes appearances in both Michael Crichton novels, which are Jurassic Park and The Lost World. Actually, this does not relate to Jurassic Park, but The Lost World is actually the name of the dinosaur area in the Ice Age movies. The location of the Tyrannosaurus Rex before it went extinct was North America. The range of the Tyrannosaurus Rex in the Jurassic Park franchise is Isla Nublar, Isla Sorna, Manticore Island, California, and Biosyn Valley. Just like I mentioned in other Tyrannosaurus Rex themed Adam's Toyland videos, the Tyrannosaurus Rex is my favorite dinosaur of all time. The Tyrannosaurus Rex makes appearances in all of the Jurassic Park / World related games. The Jurassic Park movies and the TV show that the Tyrannosaurus Rex makes appearances in are Jurassic Park, The Lost World, Jurassic Park 3, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, and Jurassic World Dominion. And the TV show that the Tyrannosaurus Rex makes an appearance in is Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. And as seen in the trailer for Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Hidden Adventure, the Tyrannosaurus Rex is also going to make an appearance in that. And that is going to premiere on Netflix on October 15th. I cannot wait. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Tyrannosaurus Rex stuffed animal a 10 out of 10. I recommend getting this dinosaur if they like the Tyrannosaurus Rex stuffed animals, the company Douglas stuffed animals that can make noise, the Jurassic Park franchise, and Ice Age. Oh, and dinosaurs too. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below, and to subscribe, click on the picture of King to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving the Tyrannosaurus Rex. See you later. Bye.